Hi, today I'm going to show you how to animate a character image with a 3D rig inside Blender with the Wiki.ai Blender plugin. So first of all, go to the Blender plugin page here, download the Blender plugin, and go inside Blender and click on Edit, Preferences, Add-on here, Insert from Disk, and select the zip file from your local download folder. Okay, the plugin is installed. Then you will need to log in with Google in order to authentify yourself to the Wikit systems. So I authentify myself. Okay, cool. Logging was successful. Then you can go back inside Blender and you will see that you are logged in with your email. Once this is done, you can close this window and you will need to press the button N in order to make this menu appear where you will be able to select the Wikit tab. If you see this tab, it means that the plugin is installed. So then you will have two choices, either to import a pre-existing rig that you will be able to modify, or to extract a rig from a motion video of an actor with in order to have a predefined motion. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to select a video from my local folder, a video that I already have, okay? And then we need to provide a character image that same you can have on your local folder. It will need to be a 916 character image, or you will be able to create it on, from the wiki.ai website. So this is what I'm going to do. Okay, I am on the website. I like Vikings, so I'm going to create a Viking character. Okay, Viking. Okay. I click on create this character. Okay, I have a nice Viking, but let's say I don't like the beard color, so I'm going to change the beard color. Change the beard, make it blue. Okay, I refine character. Okay, it worked, and the AI engine works better with characters that are in a T-pose, so I'm going to click on the T-pose button in order to modify the character and have it as a T-pose. Okay, I have my final character. I'm happy about it. I'm going to send it to Blender. Okay, character was sent to Blender. I can go back to Blender and I see my character. I be successfully loaded inside Blender. So now what I will just need to do is to click on the extract rig button. Okay, the rig extraction job is launched. I will just need to wait for the rig to be extracted. In the meantime, I can delete this element, and the rig will appear here once it is generated. Okay, so now our rig has been successfully extracted from the video. So I have it here inside Blender. I can play it. Okay. Now, in order to showcase how we can modify it and apply this movement to the character image, I'm going to go into pose mode. Okay, select a part of this rig and apply a modification. So let's apply, this modification, for example. Okay, and I'm going to be simple, I'm going to apply it for all the timeline, even if, of course, for real character, we would need to, for real clips, we would need to be more precise. But for here, okay, so now we have a rig like this. Okay, nice. I'm going to simply select this rig. I have the character image here. For face video, we will need either to provide a new video for the face video, or we can provide the video from which we extracted the rig, and it will automatically detect the face. And we provide the output folder. So here I'm going to put my download folder, and we click on Animate. The process typically takes 5 minutes, like the rig extraction, to animate the character, and you will receive an email on your email address when the generation is complete. Okay, so our animation has been generated, and we can look at it. So as you see, the leg has been correctly elevated, like in our rig. And yeah, and now the creative part of the job begins, even if there was already a creative part by choosing the character, and the iteration and experimentation can begin with the rig, trying new poses and new ways of making this rig move in order to have the exact results that you want. Thank you very much for listening, and we are very curious to see what you can create with this plugin. Thank you.